In this problem, the ratios are directly proportional. Find the missing variable. If x1 equals 13 and x2 equals 20 and y2 equals 25, what is the value of y1? There are many different ways we can set up this ratio, but the two most common are x1 is to x2 as y1 is to y2, or x1 is to y1 as x2 is to y2. We'll use this one for this video, but you could use either and still get the same answer. Setting up the proportion, we have x1 over y1. I know x1 is 13 and y1 is our unknown, so I'll just name that y. And then x2 over y2 would be 20 over 25. So now we can cross multiply. 20y is equal to 25 times 13. Let's do this multiplication. 25 times 13. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7, placeholder 0. Anything times 1 is just itself, so we can put 25, and then add these two together to get our product. 20y is equal to 325. Now 20 is being multiplied to y, so we need to do the opposite and divide both sides by y if we want to isolate that variable. That will leave us with y equals 325 over 20. To simplify this fraction so that it matches our mixed fraction answer choices, let's first figure out how many times 20 can go into 325. And to do this, let's estimate, because we know we're going to get a fraction at the end of the day, so let's go into 320, because that'll likely come out even. 20 goes into 32 one time. 12 left over, bring down the 0. 20 goes into 120 6 times, because 2 times 6 would give us 12, and then we'd add our zeros. And that goes in evenly with no remainder. So we know our whole number needs to be 16, and we can eliminate answer choice C and D because of that. Now we know that if we were to have 16 as our whole number, we would be subtracting 320 from 325, right? 20 times 16 is 320. We would have 5 left over out of 20. And if we wanted to simplify that down even further, we would take out the greatest common factor of 5 from both the numerator and denominator and be left with 16 and 1 over 4, making B our correct answer.